Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove sound from Facebook chat. We start by opening Facebook. Next, click on the messenger icon. After that, click on the three-dot options icon. Here we will see the message sounds option, and we can deactivate it if we do not want it to sound when we have a new chat message. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.